Welcome back. Now let us consider the solution of our first exercise. And the problem statement is that we are given the length and width of the rectangle, which is equal to 3.5 and 2.5. We need to write a program to calculate its area. So let us say we have two variables to store the length and width of the rectangle. Length is equal to 3.5, width is equal to 2.5. And next we can simply calculate the area, which is equal to length into width. So we have another variable for area. And after that we are just having one print statement for displaying the area of rectangle, the calculated area, right? So now let us try to run this program. And we see here the area of rectangle is being calculated as 8.75. 3.5 and 2.5, if they are multiplied, the result will be 8.75. So this is a very simple example. Thank you for your time in this chapter. See you in the next one. Thank you.